Okay, Ken, tell me about this beautiful work of art.
Okay, this is moss art. This is art made with moss that's been preserved, and it has no water requirements. It has no light requirements. As long as it's not in direct sun or very, very bright light, it will maintain its colors and its health and its buoyancy of the moss for years and years into the future. This particular piece is made with sheet moss, mood moss, pole moss, reindeer moss, a little bit of mountain moss, and also a little Spanish moss. We also used some light birch tree branches and some bark as well. And the concept was we were trying to create some organic shapes that would sort of mimic the nature outside of the windows where it was going to be hung. So we ended up creating these sort of tree shapes with the reindeer moss. And yeah, I think it came out really nice.